Sneezing might seem harmless, but it can actually lead to some serious health risks. Did you know that if you sneeze too hard, you could fracture a rib? It's true. And if you try to suppress that sneeze, you're taking a big risk. Blocking the pressure can rupture blood vessels in your head or neck, and in extreme cases, it can even be fatal. But that's not all. Suppressing a sneeze can also lead to ruptured eardrums and irritation in your throat. The worst-case scenario? A rupture of blood vessels in your brain or even your eyes. So, the next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember, it's safer to let it out than to hold it in. Your body knows best.